The life story of a poor man. From struggles to success. Once, in a small village, lived a poor man who had nothing but dreams in his heart and determination in his soul. He was born into poverty, where even one meal a day was uncertain. As a child, he worked in fields, carried loads in the market, and did small jobs just to help his family survive. Despite the hardships, he never gave up. He could not afford school books, so he borrowed them and studied under a street lamp at night. People often laughed at him, saying a poor man could never change his fate, but he kept working silently. Step by step, his hard work began to pay off. First, he saved enough to start a small shop. From that little shop, he grew into a successful businessman. What kept him going was his belief. Poverty is not my destiny. It's only my beginning. Years later, he not only uplifted his own life but also helped other poor children go to school, so they would not face the same struggles. His journey proved that success is not about where you start, but how strongly you move forward. Sparkle's moral: poverty cannot stop a determined heart. With patience, hard work, and hope, even the poorest person can build a successful life. Thank you.